The next one is what? Is morphology of what? Of paramecium. The morphology of paramecium is simply means what? The external features of what? Of paramecium. So that slippers what? What? Animaku. Yes, this is what? The shape of what? Para what? Paramecium. And like I said earlier, that after this shape, it has a broken line. Mm-hmm. Let me use this red to what? To denote the broken what? The broken line, like this. Mm-hmm. This line is the one that is what? The show the difference here now. The space between this black line and the red line, we call it what? Ectoplasm. Ectoplasm. And this one, anything below the what? The red line, we call it what? Endoplasm. And the combination of endoplasm and ectoplasm, they are called what? Cytoplasm. So after this now, this layer that surrounds the entire body of paramecium, we call it what? Pellicle. Is the one that gives him the what? The shape of slippers and the macle. So the shape of paramecium is known as what? Slippers what? Slippers shape. And after that, there is a particular hair-like structure that we can find in paramecium. Yes, this hair-like structure that surround the entire membrane of what? Of paramecium, we call it what? The plural, we call it cilia. See what? Cilia. Cilium is a singular. Cilia is what? It's plural. And between the space, between the what? The cilia, we have here, we have what we call trichocyst. This pellicle gives shape to the what? To paramecium. The cilia is the locomotory organ in what? In paramecium. Trichocyst is the organelle in what? In paramecium that is used for offense and what? And defense. And it's also used for what? For the anchor what? Anchorage. So the next thing we have here is what? In this paramecium, particular region here, here, this, And this is what we call what? Oral groove. And it's an open space that is allow the inflowing of the what of water that is contained food what? Food particle. And this place, we call it what? Cell mouth or what? Gullet. And at the surface of this place, we also have what? Flagellum that will direct what? The water and the what? And the fluid, water and the fluid particle into the what? Into the gullet A, which is what? Cell mouth. So, and when the inflowing of water is occurring, water is what? Is moving along this direction into the what? Cytoplasm of the cell. To now get to a particular point here, the food, all the food particles we have there, they be stored here. And this is what we call what? Food vacuole. And this food vacuole, we what? We move through the process of what? Of cytosis. This is food vacuole. To secrete another food vacuole like this. So the food vacuole like this. This also food vacuole. Yes. Move like this. Food vacuole. Another food vacuole. So the food vacuole will just move like this. Let me put this one here. This direction of moving of food vacuole, it will move in form of what? Direction of food vacuole, it will move in form of what? Of 8. Before it will complete the what? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. So the movement of food vacuole, we have what? In the cytoplasm of Paramecium, it will move through the process of cytosis in a form of what? Of 8. So, and this contractile vacuole, the Paramecium caudator, they have 2 contractile vacuole. The first one here, we call it, let me use blue marker for it. We call it anterior contractile vacuole because they have 2 contractile vacuole. The one as anterior, the one as the what? Posterior. So this is the what? Contractile vacuole of the what? Of Paramecium. This one we call it what? Anterior contractile vacuole. Vacuole. And this one we call it what? Radial canal. So the contractile vacuole is used for osmoregulation. And we also have another contractile vacuole here. We have a circular canal at the center, then surround with what? Radial what? Canal. Yes. So this one we call it what? Posterior contractile vacuole. So, and this one, don't forget, they are called what? Radial what? Radial canal. And again, the paramecium, I said they have what? Two nuclei. This is the first nucleus, and the second nucleus is circular what? Nucleus. So this first nucleus, we call it meganucleus. Mega what? Nucleus. The meganucleus in paramecium is used or is control all the activity of the what? Of the paramecium. And this small one, we call it what? Micro. Micro what? Nucleus. This small nucleus, the micronucleus here, is the nucleus that is used for reproduction. Then we have the what? Cytoplasm. So this is what? Cytoplasm. And yes, I forget. There is a particular something here, space here, which is equivalent to the what? To anus. So this place we call it what? Anal pore, or a what? You can call it anus, is the where the what? The undigested food particle we eject what? Out. We call it anal what? Anal pore or anus. This. So this one is used to what? For ejection of what? Of undigested food particle in what? In paramecium. So once again, the shape of paramecium is slippers and a what? And a macule. And the entire membrane of paramecium surrounded by what? A layer called pellicle. And the body of paramecium comprises of two things, which is known as cytoplasm, or ectoplasm and ectoplasm. Ecto is what? Is a part of the what? Of the cell that is below this thick, this pericycle. Or the space between the pericycle and this red line is called ectoderm. The body of paramecium that is below this red line is called ectoderm. And the combination of ectoderm and endoderm is called cytoplasm, which is what? The cell body. And the paramecium comprises of two nucleus. We have meganucleus, this big one, and a micronucleus, small one. The meganucleus is the one that controls all the activity of the what? Of the paramecium, where the what? The micronucleus is used for what? For reproduction. And the cilia that surround the entire body of the what? Of paramecium is used for what? For locomotion. For what? Locomotion is used for movement. It's also used to what? To swim. And the paramecium have what? Contractile vacuole is two extremely ends. The posterior end at the back end, and we have anterior and in front air contractile vacuole, which two contractile vacuole are used for what? Osmoregulation. Here we have our groove and lead to the what? Gullet, which is what? Cell mouth. This thing is used for what? For intaking of what? Of food particle into the paramecium. On getting here, the groove vacuole will form. The groove vacuole now move in cyclo through the process of the what? Of the cytolysis or cyclolysis in the what? In cytoplasm of the cell in the form of what? Of eight, in order to what? To distribute food to different parts of the what? Of the body of the cell. And we have anal pore here, which is the anal pore close to the anus, is the one that is used for the what? For the ejection. Where the what? The undigested food particle come out from the what? From the cell. And the next thing we need to check here is what? What is the respiration of what? Of paramecium. The respiration in paramecium and what? And excretion in paramecium They are equivalent to the what? The respiration we have in what? In amoeba and Ijmbe. The respiration is through the aid of the what? Of diffusion of oxygen and what? And CO2. The oxygen will diffuse in through their body surface, and the carbon dioxide, which is carbon dioxide, will what? Will diffuse out through the process of the what? Of diffusion. The same thing happens to the what? To the excretion. In short, the excretion in Paramecium and the respiration in Paramecium through the process of what? Of diffusion. The next one is what? Is nutrition. The nutrition in Paramecium is holozoic. So this oral group will what? We inject food particle like bacteria into the what? Into the gullet, which is what? The cell mouth of what? Of bacteria. When the food is getting to the what? To the food vacuole, the digestive enzyme will secrete from the cytoplasm of the cell, and digestion we have there is what? Is intracellular what? Digestion. So the next thing is what? Reproduction. So the reproduction in Paramecium. Reproduction in what? In Paramecium is of two types. We have asexual reproduction and we have sexual what? Reproduction. So this reproduction that takes place in what? In Paramecium is binary fission, but we call it what? Transfer binary what? Binary fission. But the kind of binary fission we have in what? In Ijmbe is longitudinal binary fission. So the one we have in what? In this one is what? Transverse what? Transverse binary what? Binary fission. But the sexual reproduction that takes place in Ijmbe, we call it what? Conjugate. Conjugation. So that's all about what? The biology of what? Of Paramecium. So the next one that we need to move to is what? Is class Protosporozoa, which is what? The last class of what? Of protozoa.